will the new WCAG 2.2 guidelines affect you? Do you have a handle on the technical requirements of WCAG 2.2 and how they relate to your projects? Are you confident in the steps that you need to take to update past digital content and create content that meets the new requirements? Available on LinkedIn Learning, Designing with the WCAG 2.2 expertly breaks down the new guidelines, their real-world implications for web and digital projects, and the solutions that designers, product owners, and developers need to incorporate into their work to comply with WCAG 2.2. Emma Moore has created accessible applications for Disney, DreamWorks, and many other companies. Emma's expertise and practical, real-world focused teaching approach delivers an incredibly intuitive and accessible learning experience, with step-by-step walkthroughs of design challenges for you to practice in Figma and requirements broken down into individual use cases. Designing with the WCAG 2.2 is the fastest way to not only understand the new technical requirements, but how to apply them successfully to your projects.